In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a different Fortnite account on your PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Switching Epic Games accounts or Fortnite accounts on your PlayStation 4 is a simple process. To do this properly, you have to visit the Epic Games website through a web browser. So go to epicgames.com or alternatively visit Fortnite.com. When you arrive at either of those websites, you will be able to sign into your Epic Games account where you have your PlayStation 4 or PSN account linked, and then hover over your icon at the top right corner. When you go over to sign in, you will be able to choose between signing in with PSN or using your email and password from Epic Games. Regardless of which option you choose, hover over your icon after you are signed in and then click Account from the drop-down menu that appears. You will be redirected to the account management page, and in here you have to switch over to apps and accounts on this left-sided menu. You will be able to choose between apps and then finally accounts. When you go over to accounts, this is where you can manage all the connections made to Epic Games, including of course Fortnite itself. The way Fortnite works on consoles is that you will be able to link a certain service account here and play Fortnite using that service account. So let's say, for example, I have this PSN account linked. If I go over to my PlayStation 4 and assign into this account, I will be able to keep my progress and use the Epic Games account or the Fortnite account linked here. All that you have to do to switch accounts is remove this link. So click remove underneath this, toggle all of these boxes and then remove account. I'm not going to do it in this video. With the PlayStation Network account unlinked from this Epic Games or Fortnite account, what you can do is switch Epic Games account and link the same PSN account to a new Epic Games account, or you can do the opposite. You can link this Epic Games account to a new PSN account. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to transfer over your progress and manage the account that is currently being used on your PlayStation 4 to play Fortnite. So make sure that you remove and connect the accounts accordingly through this page, the account management page, over in apps and accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to use different Fortnite account on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.